Well, I'm Randy Creel from Randy Cycle Service down in Central Virginia, and we're here today at the Classic Motorcycle Day 2014 in Clarksburg, Maryland. We've had a really wonderful show today. The weather turned out wonderfully. We had a sunny start to the day, which brought out all the bikes. As you can see, we have a Royal Enfield behind us leaving here, a couple of Triumphs around as well. Everybody's clearing out, pretty much finished up the day today, and it was a big success as always. Had a wonderful collection of just very unique bikes, lots of BMWs, lots of Triumphs in line. We had quite a number of unit BSAs. I think there was probably about 12 or 13 there. Did see a very nice matchless G12 CSR, which is a very rare bike. Just don't see many of that mark. And just a wonderful swap meet as well. Just almost too numerous to mention. There were so many nice bikes, and everybody seemed to really have a good time, good food. The music's been playing all day, and we really had a wonderful show. It's a big success again, and so we're looking forward to planning next year already. Over my right shoulder, we have a 62 BSA Star Twin. That's my personal bike. There's also a modern Hinckley Triumph Thunderbird to my left. We have a 1957 Thunderbird Triumph that's actually here, that's going home for full restoration. And then behind me, there's a 1967 Bonneville as well. So those are just a few of the collection that, well, we brought here personally or have something to do with. And then obviously this year the mark or the featured mark was European and British off-road machines, and there was quite a nice collection up in the front row. Again, some very rare flat track BSAs. I saw a Matchless, an AJS Stormer, which again, very rare motorcycle. And so when we see things like that out at a show like this and all in one place on the field, it's really quite a nice thing to witness. You don't see that just at any show, so a good quality show like this has really brought out the best.